on the road. Gonna hit this Muskegon car show, slideshow, whatever it is. Yeah. I'll get right back with y'all when I get there. But yeah, y'all see, had to clean up the big Charlie, get him ready for this night. And yeah, I think some people from the car club up there. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get there. Well, like I was telling y'all before, people up here, yo. This is the TRX 6.2 liter supercharged. Damn, look at this McLaren. Nope, that ain't McLaren. That's a damn C8. To pull up here. Excuse the copyright. This was at the last car show. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified rookie man, I'm the one that up the score. Spooky down the whole time. I know you got some porn. It's no shit, but you got like I'm doing. But I had to go to sell Block 1. The top niggas off. Just make sure you got your real sister phone. conversate with a few folk and got y'all a little bit of, what's up here. Yeah, man, y'all just, like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna have me a cameraman soon, so charge up there. You go get some gas. Yeah, I've seen that charge before. Don't remember where, but I've seen that sucker somewhere. Charges and challenges up there. So yeah, y'all, we finna go slide through this other little location, and it's a slideshow tonight, so I'm gonna give y'all footage on what went on through there. Yeah, you hear it, baby. Gotta turn the damn screen off. I can't wait to swap this thing out. Give me the real pages. Go a little charger right there. V6, no noise. None against the V6s, nothing against the V6s. So yeah, man, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We got a car, we doing a slideshow, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get the footage from that. Y'all like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, support. I'm doing this for my family. Check out my Fertile Family YouTube. Some shit I'm check out there too. So, like I said, y'all stay tuned, man. It's a lot more coming. I'm just, slowly grinding, getting back to, what I'm used to doing, because shit's a lot different now. So, I got my motivation, where my mindset is at, what I'm trying to, accomplish. So, yeah, y'all, like I said, stay tuned to this, man. It's a lot more coming.